Hi everyone, it's Margaret Wallace Duffy and welcome to Better Together as One, the Wellness Wake Up, Self-Care Made Simple. And today we've got a really interesting guest and a super important topic. Substance abuse disorder is certainly on the rise, as is mental health. And I gotta tell you, our guest today literally has brought me to tears in watching her YouTube channel. And that's why I reached out to her to have her on our show. This woman is not only a substance abuse advocate, she's a mother and she's determined to make an impact and help others while sharing her journey so authentically. But before I introduce her, I want to share some staggering stats with all of you about mental health and addiction in our country. In 2020, there has been 2,422 overdose deaths. And in Canada, there's been 6,265. Now, in just January to March of this year, there's already been 722 deaths. And it's rising exponentially each and every day. And these numbers don't just impact those that are affected with addiction, but their families as well. And now that's why I'm so honored to have with me and to introduce to all of you, Sandra Murray. Welcome to Better Together as One.
Thank you.
You know, Sandra, when I happened upon your YouTube channel, where you and your son shared so authentically, so rawly, and with such passion and determination to make a difference, it brought me to tears for many reasons, because I know through my work as a therapist, I see the impact of substance abuse every day. Mm-hmm. But as a mother, watching your courage and your strength to share your story, to have an impact on others, was truly blew me away. So thank you for joining us. I'm really honored to meet you.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about how did you get to, from being a mom to now having a YouTube channel to talk about substance abuse with your son, Ben?
Wow, okay, well, Ben has been using for 10 years, almost half his life. And it's happened slowly, organically, like anything. I didn't think it was an issue. I know in high school he started smoking weed. I noticed his personality changing, and it wasn't the chill, I'm high, it was more aggressive, which isn't his personality. And as the years went by, it got worse. Mm-hmm. And getting it to YouTube, well, after a number of years, first of all, denial. I've gone through denial. Right. When I finally realized that it was an issue, getting help for myself, I learned I couldn't fix it. And really the YouTube channel came when there was a time a few years ago when Ben was overdosing regularly, and up to 3 times in one day.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was hard. As a mom, it hurt, it was stressful. But I've since learned that when somebody has an overdose, they will give them naloxone, which will then put them into withdrawal. Hence, they go back out and use again. Mm. And so after being in and out of the hospital, I realized, we didn't get the support we needed. I didn't hear about support groups. We were on our own. It was ridiculous.
And scary.
And scary because each time Ben was closer to death.